Hey, give me just 5 days and I promise you, I'm gonna share with you the exact tools that I've used to go from zero to tens of millions of dollars cash collected for myself in my early 20s. Hi everyone, my name is Shakir Hussain. I'm the founder of funnels.com and I'm very grateful and privileged to be able to say, hey, I've generated tens of millions of dollars in my early 20s. Not something a lot of people can say. And today, I want to invite you to a very special live 5-day workshop that I'm hosting. And if you want to get new clients coming to you, if you want to have a 24/7 client attraction machine, prospects come to you instead of you chasing prospects. If you want to be able to have systems set up that create passive income so you're not working and trading your time for money, I guarantee you this is going to be the most profitable few days that you spend with me. So if you want to learn more about how you can go from zero to making your first 6 figures and then scale to 7 figures and beyond, go ahead and click around this video and register today. Literally, for the price of a dinner for two, you're going to be able to transform your business forever. I guarantee. Because here's the thing. Previously, when I hosted classes like this, my clients in excess of over 500 people paid in excess of over $10,000 each to get access to programs like this. Because of what's happening in the world right now, let's be honest, it's not really giving the average everyday person a lot of confidence. And I want to give you the confidence. I want to give you the new capabilities so that you can combat what's happening right now, whether it's personal, whether it's business or financial challenges that you're going through. This is going to help you. So go ahead right now, click around this video, check out the testimonials, check out the video, check out what you're going to discover in just 5 days. Promise you, it's going to be the most valuable 5 days that you're going to spend all year. I guarantee you. Go ahead. I'll see you on the next page.